What a boy, what a performance. Your girlfriend's boyfriend, no. Yeah, your girlfriend's boyfriend Rugo was out there at Rotterdam Ahoy for the Manya Festival on Saturday, the 2nd of December 2023, and gave one hell of a performance. This Cookie boy has been shining for quite a while, and man, he's shone brightly, really brightly out there in the Netherlands. Shout out to him. I think it's Netherlands. I might be wrong. But check it out. Absolutely amazing. Yeah.
Listen. First of all, me gotta give all thanks to God and I would only say Ruga! We're about to have some fun tonight, you get me? For you. Okay. Ninja boy, me not fear no. Me a make money and the smeller. In a come for you every day, flancy. You're the party man of the. Burn in the midnight with the re. Man, I'll cock me rifle just a E.G. Better quickly stop the teaser. What? Get me right now. Say, are you ready now?
She wants a gangster in a bed tonight.
She wants me.
And man, a fool got me a day tonight. She a cry on me.
If I sing it, call on me. Sing it. And you to the reggae of the blues. Sanoo. Yeah. Make us up here. I know. Hold on. I know most of you will be wondering why I took off my ear monitor. I wasn't hearing shit, you get me? And I'm about to enjoy myself.
Baby, don't talk to me back. Can't talk to me back. You don't talk to me back. See, if you walk, you better don't run to me back. Can't run to me back. Don't run to me back. See, when I talk one, you talk 16. Smart and convicting. Baby, are you reasoning with me? Girl, I'm in need. Love and understanding. You what I ask for lately. It is all that you say me. Say, shende, see. Me and I will they unleash it. You better make you breathe it. Cause baby, I want me, say. Me, I don't believe it. Wait till you they on me. You've been on my mind. Me won't fuck your boo-boo now. Girl, you've been on my mind. Me won't fuck your boo-boo. Rotterdam, let me see your hands in the air. Let me see your hands in the air. You know me one type that all I need should be told that easy text me on Snapchat, sexy snaps me and beat a lot of chat. Because when I'm a quality bed, quality rest is rest I short for you. Me ready to shoot my shot.
Hold up. She wants a gangster in a bed tonight. And man, a fool ground me a day tonight. Say, she say I want me so on. Tell me the main reason you want to move me. Who the man with a ED? Curious girl, she got questions for Siri. We good at booty, eh? So crazy you. Girl, you put it on me. She, spread your two legs. Oh, mama spread them so widely. Caribbean girl want die for me. What? Bounce your body away. Girl, you go down, not to side. Share you agree, I know fisher. Bounce your body away. Oh, man, no
Don't know what you think this is it love or lust? Baby, I don't know which is. So I told ya, can't put you low wishes. I'm a fucking star, I'm every girl's wish list. But you never for once listen. You're not the only one got several bitches. But before I get this, I never thought the facts that I love. She said, baby, this ain't you. You're not this fake guy I was. Tell me what changed. Let me know anything. Just the way me. Fresh like bread, fresh like bread.
Let me see your hands in the air. Let me see your hands in the air. Sing with me.
Girl, you know me one time, girl. All I let me show you go, girl. Easy text me on Snapchat. Sexy snaps me.
I really hope that you did enjoy that performance. That's absolutely amazing. Ruga is a really, really great artist. If you do love Ruga, remember to subscribe and to comment and to like. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.